Hey, I'll be Dog Jr. back with you. Beautiful day in the neighborhood today. Bright sunny day. I'm doing a little bit of maintenance on my Home Field Advantage compressor here, or Campbell Hausfeld as they call it. I like to call it Campbell Home Field since it's located here at the house. Yeah, Grampy's Workshop on YouTube. He always says that it's good to drain your tank once a year. Let me see how much pressure's in here. Okay. See if we can build up some more pressure. It's good for 150 psi. Or my Leatherman. I haven't cracked this valve open in a while. Probably gonna need a tool like this Leatherman here. I used to keep it on my belt all the time in one of these cases here. If y'all can see that or not. That's where I used to keep it when I was a full-time worker. Anyway, we'll use that to crack this valve open since it hasn't been opened in several years. Probably like 4 or 5 years, I'm guessing. I don't have a checklist that I use on it. But Grampy says good to do it once a year. And that's the way we used to do our compressors at work, once a year. Or not once a year, we used to do them once a week on the whole pneumatic system at work. And it's a good policy, being that this isn't used all the time, and I figure it's probably okay to do it like once a year. What kind of pressure we got here? Okay, almost 120. That's probably good enough to get all the junk out of it. Maybe I'll let it build up and see what we get. Let me see how much pressure this thing can build. Put you guys on pause for a few. It's still building up. Doesn't hurt to wipe it off every now and then either. You can read the gauges. Wouldn't hurt to wipe the tank off either, huh? Alright, well, I'm going to shut it off. I think we're close enough. Over 140 now, about 150, and it's rated. That's what it's rated for. It's 150 max, so we'll let it fly with that. Crack this valve open. I already cracked it open with my Leatherman. I'm going to go ahead and open it up by hand. To get all the water out of it, we're going to have to put it on its side. There we go. Got some junk coming out of there, huh? I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh yeah. Nice looking stuff there, huh? I guess that is about probably 4 or 5 years worth of water and rust. Oop, got something blocking the hole. Hold on. Okay, I had to open the valve up a little bit more. I decided to put a piece of wood under there to keep from blowing sand everywhere. Let's open the valve back up. I got all the water out of there. Shut it off. I never noticed that fan in there before. Learn something new every day, huh? Well, I guess that's about good on the air compressor, huh? Hopefully we'll be good for another 4 or 5 years. God willing. You dog Junior over and out. Y'all take care and have a good one.